My people no be small thing o. Make una see wetin dis Gambia boy do for inside train for Milano in Italy. E get why. Dis Gambian boy he buy ticket of €1.50. He come use am enter fast train wey dey move from Milano Centrale to Roma Termini in Italy. E get why. My people no be small thing o. As he enter inside the fast train dey enjoy himself, controller come start to dey search make dem look everybody ticket before dem go move normally. E get why. As controller reach where e dey, they come ask am him ticket. He come show the controller the ticket. Controller come see the ticket say na €1.50 na dey for the ticket. Controller come tell am say make e come down, say na wrong train na e enter, say the train wey e enter so say na fast train, say e dey move from Milano Centrale, say e dey go Roma Termini in Italy, say make e come down, say na wrong train na e enter. E get why. My people no be small thing o. As controller tell dis Gambia boy say make e come down from the train, dis Gambia boy say e no dey come down lie, say e know where e dey go, say e know the train wey e enter, say e no dey come down. E get why. My people no be small thing o. As controller dey tell am say make e come down, he say e no dey come down, say make controller call Ogbalegbe, Ekelebe, make the controller even call immigration officer join am, say e no dey come down from the train. E get why. My people no be small thing o. Many things dey happen for the countryside. Many people dem too get mad for the countryside normally. E get why. Oya na make I leave una make una watch the video. And as una dey watch am, make una dey share am. Make e for reach many people hand. Make dem for dey get sense. E get why.
Guten Tag, die Fahrkarten bitte. Einmal die Fahrkarten bitte.
Was?
Ticket bitte. Wo möchten Sie hinfahren?
Ich gehe arbeiten.
Du gehst arbeiten?
Ja.
Wo denn bitte?
It's not your problem, man.
It's not my problem. Okay, where you want to drive?
I want to drive somewhere here, you know. I need ticket. I just show you my ticket. Why you ask me around?
Okay, but we are in Milano here, and you are going to Roma Termini.
Yeah, so you don't know how to. You see, you are asking me now. So why you asking me?
Then you are in the wrong train,
Which
and
train?
you think only 150 till Roma Termini.
Yeah, but I'm an immigrant. You know everything they make discount for immigrants.
Nah, they don't do that. So please, you have to go out of the train.
Warum?
Come.
Perché?
Perché what?
No.
You have to go out of the train.
No, I'm not going anywhere. I'll stay here. I have to go to
Your
work.
ticket go to Roma Termini. You are in Milano, my friend.
Yeah.
You cannot go for €1.50 to Roma Termini from Milano. Here is Milano, my brother.
Yeah, but I'm not going down, man. I don't care who you
Go
are.
out of the train. If not, I call police.
Call immigration. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not going
I will call the police if you don't go out of the train.
Call soldier, call immigration, call president, call vice president, call us.
Come out, please.
Nah, I'm not going.
Going
anywhere.
out.
I'm not going.
Come.
No.
My brother, you have to go out.
Yeah, you told me.
I will call the police.